maybe we need to impose a minimum standard. Maybe every hotel should have hand bidets in their water closets. Maybe the pressure needs to be specified at a certain PSI so that the shower sprays with a certain force of water. Stuff like that, practical things. Maybe there should be a standard in the kinds of towels we have, in the kinds of bed sheets we have, in the kinds of pillows we have. We should move away from a backyard type cottage industry tourism and have some minimum standards so that guests will be more comfortable. So if you have the beach tourism, later on you will have more inland tourism. We also have mountains in Pangasinan and hills, especially in the 2nd District. Kasi along all those towns from Mangatarem down to Labrador, in the southern side of the district, you have all those mountains that eventually bound with Zambales. Ang gandang i-develop yon sa kung highland tourism, different naman from beach tourism. Diyan sa Agno River, tinatawag nilang waterfront sa Bugalyon, I have in mind there something like in Kamsur. If you were able to see the developments of Governor El Rey, he has this cable system na nagwo-water ski sila. Wala nang boat na humihila sa water skier. Di kuryente na, at saka may parang ski lift na umiikot, pulling the skier. So, low cost yan. So, mura ang per hour skiing ng turista. And I'm sure that that would even develop local interest in these water sports. No? Then there's zip lining. There's all kinds of tourism activities that we could develop. But we need to give it pansin in the district. Yeah, maybe there would be some local bills that could be filed that are suited to the towns of Labrador, Lingayen, and Binmaley, for example. Like rules of the DPWH, for example, do not put the trees in the proper place. Maybe we could have the trees outside of the right-of-way so that our sidewalks are uninterrupted. And the trees, we will allocate funds to buy their permanent right-of place. That's a unique thing. Nobody has done that yet. It's an idea I've had for a long time, but was not able to do. Well, it was being planned to do along MacArthur Highway in the 5th District when Kimi was still Congresswoman there. But she didn't make it in 2016, so the successor did not push through with those plans. But may physical plan na yon, may actual designs na yon, may costing na yon per location of the tree. And the tree, if you buy 6 meters by 6 meters space for big trees outside of the right-of-way of the highway, those become micro parks, because you could put seats around the big trees and people could sit under those. You know, that's 36 square meters if it's 6 meters by 6 meters. So I think it would really change the look of the place. We could eliminate flooding. If we could eliminate flooding in Binmaley and Lingayen, then that would also be a big boon to tourism. Because who's gonna go to a place where during rainy season everything gets flooded? Nobody's gonna wanna go to that kind of a place.